2 best ways to remove blackheads on your nose. Preventing blackheads. 1. Be aware of the false myths around blackheads. Part of why it is simply not possible to wipe away your blackheads is because they are not caused by a buildup of dirt. Instead, they are created by a buildup of dead skin sebum, which then reacts with oxygen and turns the substance in your pores black. As well, it is impossible to shrink, close or open your pores, as your pores are not muscles. They are simply holes that house the hair follicles and sebaceous glands on your body. While some substances, like lemon or mint, can make your pores appear smaller, in reality your pores are not shrinking. Other factors like genetics, age, and sun exposure all play a role in how large your pores appear. 2. Keep excess oil off your face. Do this by washing your face no more than twice a day with a gentle facial cleanser that is oil-free. Make sure you wash your face if you use makeup on a daily basis, as makeup residue can cause oil buildup on your face. Be sure to exfoliate your face with a natural or professional method and use a natural or commercial toner on a daily basis. 3. Keep your hair away from your face and try not to touch your face with your hands. Hair can carry germs and bacteria that could end up on your face and nose. Avoid touching your face or nose with your hands. Your hands can carry dirt, germs and bacteria that can then end up on your face and cause a buildup of oil that can lead to blackheads. 4. Never pick or squeeze your blackheads. This can cause the skin on your nose to become inflamed, infected, and even cause scarring. As well, when using scrubs, avoid scrubbing your blackheads too hard as this can lead to irritation and inflammation. 5. Clean your pillowcases at least once a week. Washing your pillowcases will remove any dead skin cells and oils your face leaves behind on the fabric every night. Using professional products. 1. Use a cleanser with salicylic acid and glycolic acid. The best way to break down any oil in clogged pores is to use products that contain beta-hydroxy acid or salicylic acid. Consistent use of a cleanser with salicylic acid will help to prevent blackheads before they form and clear your pores of oil. Salicylic acid works with glycolic acid to help clear dead skin and debris on the surface of your skin. Acne products like Proctiv, Benzac, and Panoxyl all contain these ingredients. 2. Buy Pore Strips. Over-the-counter medicated pore strips can work to remove oil plugs in your nose and as a result, remove blackheads. 3. Talk to a dermatologist about retinoids. Retinoids contain vitamin A and work to clear clogged pores and prevent blackheads from forming. Prescription-strength retinoids are the most effective and come in pill form. Over-the-counter retinol formulas are also available at many drugstores. There may be some peeling of your skin when you first take retinoids, but after regular use 3 to 7 times weekly for 4 to 6 weeks, the side effects will lessen and your skin will appear more radiant and clear. 4. Ask your dermatologist about microdermabrasion. This is a professional treatment that uses tiny crystals on your skin to gently remove the outer layer of skin, including blackheads. It will exfoliate and rejuvenate the skin on your nose to leave your skin looking softer and brighter. This technique is less aggressive than dermabrasion, but must be done by a trained skin professional. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.